One of the most spectacular NBA seasons ended with the Denver Nuggets clinching their first ever NBA title. And of course, all the talk is about Finals MVP Nikola Jokic. We are in talk already about the greatest big man and the greatest this and the greatest that. But who breaks? Why is it that every modern player in almost every sport who has a good season or two, here comes the recency bias and the labeling of GOAT. I mean, Joker is a brilliant player, a freak of nature in terms of his offensive skills, his passing, his vision, his different ways of scoring, inside and outside. He's a part of this wave of unconventional European talent sweeping across the NBA with this incredible combination of skills. And as a back-to-back regular season MVP, in addition to his now finals MVP, the Joker are doing thing. But for me, he needs to do it for another few years and win some more titles before people start tie goat in the man yard. Move the goat them out of the man yard. He's not ready for the goat them yet.